and welcome back to me. Yeah, so what's up? What's going on with you guys? just been just a tad bit. That ain't nothing new. Yeah, you know, I come and go, don't to do some very yummy things and catch up. And yeah, so if you haven't already done so, push that subscribe button. Yeah, the road to 1,000 is still a go. Yeah, so subscribe. Boop, 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 boop. So I'm going to do my eyebrows and foundation off camera, and then I'll be back. Over here giving you snatched up. Alright, I'm patterned to the gods. Alright, like I want this look to be like super striking, so that's why I'm coming with the about to be contoured like a mug. So I'm about to be snatched up. Yes. So let me stop playing. So I have this Morphe palette, and I was just like, ew, bam. Look it, come on, Morphe. Come on, Morphe. Some fiery loving. And then Insta made me buy it. Okay, I know you guys have seen this palette all around, and actually got this for Christmas. My sister came through, and you know, I just love it. So we're gonna definitely get into these shadows. So I'm really excited about this eye look. So without further ado, come closer. All right, you don't need to be that close. Okay, yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so for my trans color, let's just get it. I love, okay, oranges in my crease. I don't care. So right here, and my eyes are already set with my LA Girl in the color Cool Tan, and then my Kat Von D Locket in the color Golden. I love that. This is like so cute. Okay, with the same brush. All right, let's go into this lovely color right here, and I'm just gonna put it right on top of that yummy trans color, and this is giving me life right now. Okay, so with that same brush, I want to go into this orange. The same brush, and then I want to put that on top of this, on the outer but on top of that, and just like smoke it, just like not even blending, just like flicking it into each other. So, like that. Just flick it. I guess that gives me like refreshing vibes. Like, I feel refreshed by doing that. I'm gonna go into my Morphe M222, and I'm gonna go, I don't know, maybe into this black. And I'm gonna go like really light-handed, but I want it to be like right here. Just like focus right there. And then like flick it. Like I don't know. I don't know what I have with like flicking stuff today, but just like bring it like that. And just put it right there. Just like that. That's it. That's how I'm leaving it. That's how I'm rocking. Okay. So with the same fluffy brush, I'm going to go into this yellow right here just to brighten up my whatever the heck this is. I don't even know, but it's like refreshing. So just put a little bit. So this is like super simple to me. I think I want to add some red glitter. So Insta made me buy it, okay? And it's just like, why not? Why wouldn't I want to get into these? I find that it is better to use your fingers with this. I don't know. Are these human? Have you tried this Temptation from Maybelline? Oh, yeah. I think I might like this more than I like the other drugstore. Is bomb. Like, you see, I didn't have to dip again. It's coating my lashes. They're not getting clumpy. Like, I'm gonna put my Maybelline Eye Studio in the color Black is Black. And I'm just gonna line my eye, under my eye. Like really darkening it. Like with a medium line. Just smoking out that black. Not too much, but just enough. It shouldn't be like all the way out. don't forget that the road to 1,000 is still a go. So under my picture that says road to 1,000 on Instagram, you know, follow those rules, do what you need to do, and I see you next week.